Maker Arnolfo Teves Jr. was released but subsequently rearrested, according to the Department of Justice. DOJ Assistant Secretary and spokesperson Jose Dominic Lavano IV says that Teves was rearrested by the Policia Nacional of Timor-Leste. Teves' legal counsel, Attorney Ferdinand Topacio, previously announced that the former Negosoriental representative has been released from preventive detention, claiming that the Philippine government's request was made out of time and in a manner that is not sanctioned by practice and customary international law. But according to Clavano, the Philippine government was able to submit all requirements ahead of time that is fully compliant with Timor-Leste's law. Clavano adds that the statements of Attorney Topacio are misleading and highly irresponsible. Clavano reminds Topacio that while he owes a fealty to his client, Teves, he remains an officer of the court and must act accordingly to maintain the court's integrity. The DOJ says Teves will continue to stand trial for his extradition. Furthermore, Clavano says the department is confident that the extradition proceedings will be successful and Teves may still be deported depending on the direction taken by the Timor-Leste government in coordination with the Philippines. The DOJ could not provide any detail about why Teves was initially released, as the Timor-Leste government is still preparing a brief for the Philippine government.
Pag na misleading, irresponsable at insulto ng Department of Justice ang pahayag ni Atty. Ferdinand Topacio kaugnay sa pagpapalaya kay dating Congressman Arnolfo Arnie Teves Jr. Ito ay matapos sabihin ng abogado na idineklarang illegal ng Timor-Leste Court ang pagkakakulong sa kanyang kliyente habang naghihintay ng extradition trial. Ayon kay DOJ spokesperson Mico Clavano, bahagi lamang ng proseso ng Polisiya Nasyonal ng Timor-Leste ang pagpapalaya at muling pag-aresto sa puganting dating mambabatas. Binigyan din ito na naisumite nila ang lahat ng kailangan para sa request for extradition kay Teves. Sinabi pa ni Ase Clavano na bagamat may utang na loob si Topacio sa kanyang kliyente, siya ay nananatiling opisyal ng hukuman at dapat kumilos ng naaayon upang mapanatili ang integridad nito. Tiwala rin ng DOH na magiging matagumpay ang extradition proceedings at maaari pa rin mapadeport si Teves depende sa direksyon ng pamahalaan ng Timor-Leste sa pakikipag-ugnayan sa Pilipinas.